welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over the final week of Supreme for the 2020 spring summer season. So last week here at week number 19 if you're keeping score at home, and it's only a few items, literally only like 10 items. So we're also going to unbox my orders from this past week, which was the spring summer tees, and I'm feeling something in there. Hopefully, I'm praying it's either a Motion logo sticker or a social sticker because they're so freaking fire. Last week I had to do it on my phone, and what happened was I got all of them in my cart because I went for the one I can't pronounce, which I'll show you in a second. Like, it starts with an A something. The lizard tee, the marble tee, and then I was going for that social tee, and it said it was in my cart. Like, it said can't add more than one of this item. For some reason it was in my cart, then when I checked out it didn't go through or something. I don't know. I'm really salty because I would have gotten over $150, which means I should have gotten free shipping. I don't know if they're still doing that. I think they were done, or maybe it's this week they're done doing the free shipping over $150. So pretty sad there, and I didn't get it, and it's actually one of the best shirts to go for because it was just so sick. So hopefully you went for shirts this past week. Let me know in the comments what you grabbed, if you got anything. This shirt right here is the banner tee. This is the week 1 tee from maybe last season or the season before. I can't remember. Actually, I have it on here. Let's see. This was from the fall winter 19. So yeah, about a year ago. And the last sale on this was $200 in an XL. It just sold for $200, which is insane. I think this is one of the best shirts though in a long time. But this season's shirts were actually pretty fire. What do we want to do? Start with this or end with this? You know what? We're gonna end with it. We'll go back, we'll start the drop list. Here we go. There's literally only a few items, we'll just run through it. So first off, we have this piping tank top coming in 3 colorways for $68. This is just a regular tank top, pretty boring, pretty basic. I don't love it, I don't like it, not going for it. This is gonna be most of the drop list because most of the things are pretty trash. Then we have this Terry top with like all the different letters on it. I think it's a date or something, I'm not sure. Coming in 4 colorways for $88. This was supposed to come out last week. I talked about it in the video, but I had to cut it because it didn't actually make it to the final drop list. But it's pretty buns, I would let it go. I'm not gonna do anything. Next up, we have the Flags Rayon shirt coming in 2 colorways for $138. And I wish they dropped that last week before 4th of July. I think more people would have went for it. I don't think it would have mattered because I just got my order today. It's like the 8th or something, so probably not, one that came in time anyway. But they should have dropped that 2 weeks earlier. I think it would have went off. Pretty fire there. But I actually like the one that's like American flags that are in color, not just black and white. I think the colored one looks pretty sweet. I wish it was cheaper. I probably would grab for personal, but I don't know. I don't see any resale on that. Maybe $160, $170, but that's about it. Then we have this embossed denim camp cap coming in 5 colorways for $50. This one's actually pretty sweet. I actually like the one. Let me see if I can get this picture up so We're frozen here. Supreme community. Hello? Okay, there we go. I actually like this a lot with the emboss. I think it looks pretty sweet. I would go, regular denim, all dark, like dark denim, black denim. But that one to the left of that, the gray with the pink, is actually pretty sick. I kind of like that. I dig it. Alright, then moving on, we have this mesh crusher coming in 4 colorways for $50. And this one, I don't love this one. I think it's kind of boring. Literally just says a little Supreme and then like the mesh, like you can see through it. See your dome, your stupid head through it. I don't know. Not a fan of that. I'm not gonna go for that. Then we have the Bling Towel. This goes back to the bling. I think there was bling shorts and a jacket. I don't even know. I know there was a t-shirt from week 1, but $68. You got the 2 colorways here. It's not bad. Supreme towels are kind of up in the air. Either some do well, some don't. This one's not bad. It's got a big Supreme bling, diamond drawn with money behind it, but I would not pull up to the beach with that. I think it looks kind of dumb. I'd rather pull up on the mat, the Supreme mat, but that might hurt. It's not as soft as this towel will be. But $68, Costco tees are better, or Costco towels are better anyway, so forget it. But if you are going to the beach or the swimming pool, make sure you have your Supreme Speedo swim cap. That's the next item. Coming in 2 colorways for $24, and honestly not bad. I think it's kind of fire. If I was a swimmer and I was on a swim team, I know you're probably not allowed to wear branding like Supreme, or you have to wear like your team, whatever. even if you're just going for tryouts or you're trying to make the Olympic team, you have to have one of these. Otherwise, I think if you show up to the Olympic team and you don't have one of these on, I think you get cut immediately. I'm pretty sure that's what happens. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But this is legit. I mean, the Speedo is, you know, one of the name brand companies. So for 24 bucks, I might actually pull up on one of these and grab that red one because it's kind of fire. Even though I'll never use it, it might be cool to have. Resell, I think it might be around 50 bucks. You know, it's kind of neat. It's pretty cool. Then you have the goggles, which are coming up right next. The Supreme Speedo swim goggles, coming in 2 colorways for $88. I'll show the white one for a little bit, then I'll switch to the black pair. I actually like the black pair better. I just think it looks cooler. With that, I actually think the goggle part is actually pretty fire. It's like a red, orange, blue, translucent kind of, you know, when you look at it from different angles. But with the white, I don't like the white with the Supreme box logos all over it because it just kind of looks like chintzy. It looks like fake. I don't know. But the black one hits for me. I love that. $88. Not gonna buy a pair for myself because I don't swim. I don't have a pool. I'm not gonna sit in my bathtub and have these Johns on. But they're pretty sweet, and I think they resell for like 100, 120 bucks maybe, depending on stock. Then we have probably the only thing to go for this season. Not this season. This week, sorry. It's the last week, you can tell. And that is the Supreme Vans collab. It's a hole punch denim. So we have the slip-on. That's the first one we're gonna look at, and then the high top. So the slip-on is $98. It comes in black and blue, and I think these are actually really fire. I'm not a huge slip-on fan. I really don't like the Vans slip-on. I like the laces, but honestly, on this one, I like the navy a lot better. Grab a base size. I feel like girls would look like a good outfit right there with like some jeans, those slip-ons, you know, something like that. Maybe your girlfriend grab a pair, but maybe you like them, you get the black pair and make her get the blue pair. Not bad, $98, not terrible. Reselling these, I think, are gonna be like $130, $140 for the slip-ons. Then we get to the high tops. These are my favorite out of everything coming this week because there's really not much, but regardless, I think these are sick. So you have the high top one here, and you have the black and the navy. These are a little bit different because on the back of the high top, you actually have a Supreme spell out, which is pretty fire. And I don't know, I think I might grab a personal or just like one in my size in case I wear it. I'm grabbing that black pair all day. I think that's so fire. I'm not a huge high skate guy, like the high version. I'm more the low guy with the laces, but these are pretty fire, so I might have to grab the black pair. Reselling these, I see hitting $150, so not terrible, a good hold. These are definitely one of the best Supreme Van Is that my father mowing the lawn? Anywho, hopefully you can hear me over that, but yeah, definitely one of the best Supreme Vans collabs I've seen. I like it a lot, especially with that hole punched look. It's pretty sweet. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up. Now we move on to the good stuff. Supreme tees. Let's bust open. Now, here's the thing that's really it comes down to is what sticker pack did I get? If I got a Motion logo sticker pack, I'll be gassed. I'll be so hyped. But if I get that social one, I'm gonna freak. The social sticker, the detail they put into that is insane. So hopefully I grab it in hand here and I can show you the insane detail they. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. I'm scared. If I get the stupid dog one, I'm throwing Supremes out the window. Alright. Alright. Oh, let's go! Let's go, bro! Alright, I'm ripping this open because I'm keeping these. Dude, I got 2 of the best ones. Let's freaking go. So we got a box logo. Alright, makes sense. But no way. No way! Let's go! Double Motion logo in the best colorways. Bro, and wait a minute, it gets better. The freaking Marble Tee sticker. Dude, I don't know. You probably can't even see it. This is so gas, bro. Oh my gosh. Freaking gorgeous. Oh, jeez. Okay. Alright, I might have just shown you that upside down, but you get the point. Bro, oh, that is so nice. Oh my gosh. That was better than I could have ever imagined. 2 Motion logos and this marble one. Bro, I'm so hyped. That's so gas. I'm hyped. That is awesome. I would have loved that social one. So if you have the social one, please DM me. I'll literally pay you $10 for it to ship it right now. Love that sticker. I need it. But oh my God. Okay. We just made out, baby. Let's go. All right, let's go through these tees real quick. I'm not gonna open any because I'm gonna keep them dead stock. But this is the Annoy, Demoy, whatever. Anyway, black shirt, pink writing, super fire in my opinion, and a size large. Pretty nice grab there. Then we got this lizard tee in a white large, pretty fire as well. You got the huge spell out in green, and I think that that green just hits off that white so nicely. Yeah, none of these are, I can't open any of these without ripping them open. And I gotta keep them dead stock so I can sell them. And then finally, we got the marble tee in a medium black. This one's fire. It's got like the little circle, and then actually I don't even need to rip it open. I'll just show you. And then it has this on the back in that exact design. If you can see that, there you go. So I'm not gonna rip this open. I did grab this in a medium, which is a trash size, but the only reason I did is I might keep this for the personal. I'm gonna hold these for a while, hold these for a season or two. They'll definitely go up. See how high this one goes. If it doesn't go that high, I'm putting this on the body jaw. This is so fire. Like, this shirt is so gas. But yeah, these two were my resells. I was trying to get that social. Stupid Supreme kicked me out. Kind of pissed, but yeah, this one's probably doing the best right now. I haven't really looked at StockX in a while because, like I said, t-shirts you gotta hold for a season or two. Like I said, this shirt literally just went for $200. Insane. This one's pretty fire. You can't tell the pink writing, but it actually looks really nice. Let's see if I can pull up to the camera if you can see the pink writing in there. But whew, that's fire. Super nice cookout, baby. But this right here, this sticker pack made the day, boy. That's, oh my gosh. I was like, bro, I'm gonna do this video. I'm gonna open up the sticker pack. I'm gonna get that damn dog, that stupid pit bull, and I'm gonna throw my stuff out the window. Insane. So, wow. Okay. I'm hyped. I'm officially hyped. I'm ready. Tomorrow, Vans, definitely go grab a pair. They're gonna resell. So don't miss on that, and hopefully you grab some t-shirts. Let me know in the comments what t-shirts you got. Have a good one.